In our video from earlier this week, I had listed an educational website that made itself free for all people who are at home in the quarantine, especially for kids. And I received many people's thank yous in the comment sections for listing that. So I decided to build on that, and I put some new ones in this video today and listed them on the website, and they will also all be in the description area. But I'm encouraging any of you who are educators or parents who have found some great websites to keep the kids occupied, or even to keep us adults occupied while we're stuck at home, to please list those in the comments so that everybody can partake. And everybody just stay well and be vigilant, and we'll get through this together.